Nama Sejahtera Dr. YY, and this is group project of Business Accounting A231 and code dia ialah BKL 1013 dan I will introduce my group member and I is Piping Song. Nomor metrik saya ialah 300354 dan Erin Ho Jia Chun 300336 dan Fahmi 300200 dan Chong Hao Han 300078 dan Atana 2997844 dan for background, Zazala telah open Zai Enterprise that sell household item and Zazala Rashid ialah owner of Zai Enterprise and dia telah sold accounting intern and draw up an adjusted trial balance of 31 December 2023. But it still need the existence of accounting expert to prepare financial statement. That is statement of profit and loss, statement of change in equity, statement of financial statement, and Zai Enterprise has a problem with stock management because Zai Enterprise no adequate inventory system show the level of stock of the label. So this is his problem with possibility running into loss and losing customer if urgent action is not taken to address the anomalies. And the unadjusted trial balance of Zai Enterprise as of 31 December 2020 is under reference, and this is the unadjusted trial balance of Zai Enterprise as of 31 December 2023. And this is its component, and I'll draw a line for each three accounts, and we will using this another trial balance and do a financial statement that is statement profit and loss, statement change equity, statement financial of position, and there is some additional information that are related to cash transaction throughout the year. And for the first one, Zazala Rashid made a total cash withdrawal of 27,500 in year of 2023. And for this transaction, I want to ask apa effect dia.
Effect dia cash under asset akan menurun, jadi dia akan masuk dalam kredit. Lepas tu withdrawal ni dia termasuk dalam drawing iaitu on equity, jadi dia menurun juga tapi dia masuk dalam debit.
Okay, for the second one, Zai Enterprise received cash for 10,000 from the disposal of an oven. For this transaction, I want to ask Fahmi.
Untuk yang kedua, I think that dia receive cash, so dia akan increase, so dia akan masuk ke bahagian debit. Yang 10,000 tu dia akan masuk bahagian debit.
Okay. For the third one, I will explain it. There is Zazala Rashid invest additional cash of 150,000 to increase her stake in Zai Enterprise. So when Zazala Rashid invests additional cash, so cash of Zazala cash of Zai Enterprise will increase and capital of Zai Enterprise also will increase. So debit cash and credit capital. For the 4-1, Zai Enterprise bought land for future operational expansion by paying 100 18,000 in cash. For this transaction, I want to ask Edwin.
So the enterprise bought land for the future operational expansion. It means that the asset will increase, you put in the debit side. For the enterprise, because you're paying cash for the land, so the cash will decrease, you put in the credit side.
And for the last one, total cash receipt and disbursement for the business operation was 350,000 and 255,000. And for this transaction, I want to ask Han.
So for this transaction, from my opinion, Zai Enterprise will record the cash received as in that side because the cash will increase. And for the cash disbursement, Zai Enterprise will record it as in a credit side and in a cash account. So that's it.
Okay. For instruction, we will using Microsoft Excel prepare the statement profit and loss and other comprehensive income statement, change of owner equity, statement of financial position for the enterprise based on the above unadjusted trial balance as of 31 December 2023 and the attached additional information. And we will make sure the statement are linked. Means we will do the statement using formula such as sum or other thing. So we will also using Microsoft Excel and prepare one cash account of the enterprise based on the above and the trial balance as of 31 December 2020 and including item of 5 yang tadi kita jelaskan punya. Okay. So this is for part A, and we will continue to part B. For after we done our part A, that is complete prepare financial statement, we will explain the impact of the omission under reference of the element of the accounting equation of the enterprise, especially the net income. And for the first one, A, depreciation of office equipment and delivery van for the sum of 35,000. For this transaction, I want to ask Atana what's effect it.
Their depreciation of office equipment and delivery van increase, meanwhile net income, equity and assets decrease.
Okay, for the second one, unpaid salary of 20,000. For this transaction, I want to ask Fahmi.
I think if impact will happen to unpaid salary of 20,000 20,000 ringgit is it will reduce net income and equity also with increase and also it will increase liability.
Okay. For C and D, we will hand to Edwin to explain impact of these two transactions.
So for question C, the impact is the net income and asset will reduce. So for the question D, that the impact, the net income and equity will increase. For the liabilities, I think will decrease.
Okay. For E and F, I will explain it. For E, the impact is will decrease net income and equity and asset will also decrease, which is the prepaid insurance will decrease. And for the F, impact of this transaction is net income will increase and equity and assets decrease. for the count of account receivable. And for the G and F, I will hand to Alhan to expand it.
So for the question G, the impact of it will affect the revenue will increase, and the equity and the net income also will increase. For the question H, the impact of this will decrease the net income and equity and increase the liability for account payable. So that's it.
Okay. So this is our discussion for part B, and we will go through to part C. Okay, so part C, we will discuss the following situation for accounting and business perspective. So for Zai Enterprise, the owner of Zai Enterprise, the Dara Rashid, is contemplating the idea of opening more outlets at strategic locations in the city. However, opening more branches requires Dara Rashid to adopt new strategy to support the increased sales or revenue, credit management, and improve account receivable collection and inventory management. An approach under consideration is to evaluate the credit terms and the shipping strategy will significantly impact the account receivable collection and inventory management. So, based on this situation, our instruction is we will based on the above situation and discuss and advise the sheet on the following. So the appropriate the credit term to improve credit sales or revenue credit management, improve account receivable collection and inventory management. So based on this situation, your guys has what opinion?
So I think that the Zara Enterprise can offer a standard net 30 days credit term, but provide discount for early payment. For example, do discount if paid within 10 days. Are guys okay with your point?
Yeah, I'm agree with your point, but I would like to add my point. I think Zazara Enterprise also can use credit limit and monitoring because I think it can establish clear credit limit for customer based on their credit worthiness, and it can also regularly monitor customer account to identify potential credit risk and and take proactive measures.
Okay, so this is our discussion for number one and number two, the appropriate shipping term to improve sales or revenue credit management, improve account receivable collection and inventory management. And for this situation, what is your guy opinion?
I would like to add my own point, which is the company can add a real-time shipment tracking, which can make the shipment activity more accurate for the customers to track their orders. And also it can enhances the customer's experience and reduces inquiries related to shipment status.
So, for my opinion, I think the Z Enterprise should have a flat rate shipping. This is because you should implement a flat rate shipping strategy for standard orders, and they can simplify the shipping cost structure and making it transparent for customer and reducing the cart abandonment. So, guys, do you agree with me?
I agree with you.
Yes.
So this is our discussion for part A, part B, and part C for the group project of business accounting. So I will end here and thank you.